Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that MEET48 token. Now before I start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, MEET48 is a decentralized entertainment platform that merges AI, virtual idols, and blockchain to create a community-driven fan economy where users can participate in ideal governance and content creation. It is a social metaverse where fans use AI tools to create, train, and interact with virtual idols. Token based fan participation. The native idol tokens power on chain voting, governance, and rewards within the ecosystem. Integrated Web3 ecosystem. The platform Snap gains a launchpad and a dedicated blockchain PO chain for supporting user generated content. MEET48 project audited by Seritic. MEET48 token total supplies 4.8 billion and circulating supplies around 1.04 billion. Ideal token. Ideal token is listed on Binance Alpha, BingX, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.